Hello babes, welcome back. Today's video is a sewing tutorial of the video I posted a few days ago. If you haven't watched the other video, please check on this channel. If you're interested in content like this, please click on the subscribe button, join this amazing family, and I love you guys. Let's go ahead with the video. Just as you can see my fingers pointing right now, I'm going to detach the yoke from the bodies of my pattern before transferring to my fabric. When cutting a stretchy fabric or any fabric that stretches even the tiniest bit, the side that stretches more should be placed horizontally or used as the width of your outfit, while the less stretchy part should be placed vertically, in other words, used as a length, unless it's a pattern fabric and you want to follow patterns. First off, I'll place my fabric on fold before placing my pattern paper on it. I won't be adding any sewing allowance to my pattern nor the fabric because my fabric is super stretchy. Right now, I went ahead to indicate the part I just detached so that it will ease my work when I'm about to attach it back to my clothes. I'll just go ahead and cut this behind camera, then I'll come back and show you guys the result. I'm done transferring my pattern to my fabric and it's coming out cute already. As you can see, I didn't add any sewing allowance to this pattern that I cut. So please pay attention to the next thing I'm going to say in case you want to go ahead and do this slash and spread like the inspiration, because I didn't do it, but I'm just going to explain it briefly for you guys. So at the under bust line and the half length, just go ahead and slash that part open, like cut it open. Then divide it into at least 3 to 4 pieces and spread it evenly with a 1.5 inch space in between. That will make the front side of the outfit longer than the back side of it. Afterwards, you go ahead and pleat it to the same length with the back length, just a little bit in between the under bust line and the half length. I hope this was explanatory enough. So I didn't do this because my fabric wasn't enough and my fabric has lines on it, so I just didn't want to add too much to it. Then I went ahead to cut a facing for the front part of my dress. I did it for both the front and the back, but the difference is that this front part of my dress, I'm going to be placing a bra cup on the facing and sew it round. I will explain more when I'm done with it so you guys will understand what I did. So this is my back piece. I cut it just the same way I cut the front piece. I also cut a facing for the back piece of my outfit. Moving on, I went ahead to cut the yoke for the back of my outfit. I will attach a button or a hook and eye to it. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and prep my back piece before taking it to my sewing machine to stitch it together. So I cut 2 pieces each for my yoke. So my yoke is both I use my fabric as the lining to line my yoke. Instead of cutting a separate fabric for lining, I use the same fabric. This is going to give the outfit a better look. So this is how it's going to look by the time I'm done. So again, I did the same with the front piece. Don't forget the front neckline has an overlap, so I cut it in 4 pieces. That's the lining and the fabric. And then at the neck area, I'm going to place one end overlapping the other, just like the way I'm doing right now. I'm going to use my sewing machine to stitch on it, or you could use your needle and thread to just hand tack it and it will still give you the same result. So now this is just me showing you how it's going to look by the time I'm done turning the lining piece with the main fabric and attach it to the main bodies of my outfit. At this point, I have already exhausted my fabric, so I had to utilize what I had left. My collar was cut with a width of 1.5 inch and I took my round neck measurement for the length of my collar. So this is what you see me do right now. But if you want your collar to be exactly as the inspiration video, you should make your collar to be at least 3 inches wide. Also take the roundness of your neck to determine how long you want it to be. So again, my fabric is very, very stretchy, guys. I'm not even exaggerating, this is super stretchy. So this is going to be enough for me, and this is the final look. By the time I'm going to take this to my machine, this is how I'm going to join everything. So I'm just prepping it again to show you guys what I'm taking to my machine so that there won't be any confusion. So I'm going to attach my bra cup to my facing, so the yoke is going to be in between my facing and my main fabric. I've gone ahead to cut the sleeve for this outfit with a length of 29 inches. By the time I hem my sleeve and attach it to my outfit, it's going to shorten back to 27.5 inches. So guys, I'm done attaching the back yoke to the back of my outfit, and this is how it came out. And then I used my hemming gum to hem down the remaining parts of the yoke to the outfit. So just as my hand is directing, I'm just going to take in 1/2 to 1 inch side seam, just like that, to the end of the outfit. I haven't attached my collar yet because I have to attach the front piece to the back piece before attaching my collar. I've gone ahead to hem my sleeve and sew the side together, as you can see right now. If you watch carefully, the hem of my sleeve aren't straight, they're a bit funnel-like, so go ahead and do yours like that. So now I'm going to give you a detailed explanation on how I attached this bra cup to my facing. First of all, I used a push-up bra cup for this particular tutorial and for this particular style. Gap between my bra cup, the two bra cup, is 1.5 inch, which is what I'm confirming right now. I also fix it by placing the bra cup on the half length of my outfit. So just like the way I'm measuring, you know, we took out 7 inches from our over bust. That is the neckline opening from our nape to where we wanted this opening to start from. We took out 7 inches. So I make sure that I marked that 7 inches away, and then marked where the under bust was before attaching the bra cup. And then I pinned down everything and sewed the bra cup to the facing. So right now, what I'm doing right now is to place the right side of the bra cup, that's the facing, the right side facing the right side of my fabric. I will stitch my own down with 1 inch or 1/2 inch. You can do this before attaching the yoke, but for a neater finishing, I will advise you put the yoke in between the facing. And then I'm going to put my yoke in between the facing and the fabric, just like the way I'm showing you guys right now. Just before taking it to my sewing machine, I'm going to make sure I secure the overlap neckline with pins. This is so important because by doing so, I'll be able to fit the armhole of the yoke perfectly into the armhole of the bodies, and it will help deal with excesses around the opening at the chest area. I just brought my back piece to show you guys how I'm going to be attaching it to the front piece. So first of all, I will attach the shoulder together, just as you see me do right now. I'm going to place the back shoulder to the front piece shoulder and sew it down with 0.5 inches. Once I'm done with this, I will attach the sleeve to the outfit, and then I'll come and show you guys the final result. My fingers are demonstrating right now. That's the way I'm going to take it to the machine and then sew it together to the handkerchief effect side. So guys, this is the final look of our outfit. I've gone and stitched and hem every piece of it. So I hem the hemline with 1/2 inch, and then at this area I'm pointing right now, I notch it. That's where there's a curve there, so make sure to always notch all your curves. This will make it relax very well. And then this is the bra cup area. It's still open, so that I will show you guys how it look. And then I'm going to use my hemming gum to iron it down so it will lay flat on my body. I'm just going to go ahead to just show you around the bodies of the outfit. This is the sleeve area, I also hem the sleeve and attach it to the armhole of my outfit. This is my collar. By the time I was done attaching my collar, it was 1 inches. This is my overlap. I used a hand needle and tried to tack it down. So I'll just go ahead and turn over so you guys will see the finished look of the outfit. So I held my outfit from the underarm to the end by 1 inch. I told you my dress was super stretchy. In fact, I still had to come again and sew it by another 1 inch. By the end of the day, the dress just keep increasing in size and increasing in size. But as long as it keeps increasing, I will keep slim fitting it. So guys, this is how the outfit looks at the end of the day. So lovely. I can't wait to see you guys recreation of this particular outfit. Please, if you are using any stretchy outfit and if it's as stretchy as mine, don't put any sewing allowance and keep slim fitting as long as it keeps stretching. Thank you so much guys for watching to the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys, and please, if you found this video helpful, like, share, ask your questions, drop your comments in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I love you guys. Bye.